equals to negative 10. Inside this parenthesis also 4 minus 14 is equals to negative 10. Okay, then negative 10 times negative 10 is just 100, but this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that this multiplication and division has equal priority for work from left to right. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to this addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction here, one multiplication here, and inside the parenthesis there is one subtraction. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis first, and next is multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then 4 minus 14, which gives us negative 10, then 14 times negative 10, and here 4 minus 14 times negative 10. Okay, therefore there is here is subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore 14 times negative 10, which equals to negative 114. Okay, negative 114, then 4 minus negative 140. Here negative times negative, which is positive. Okay, therefore 4 plus 114. 4 plus 114 is equals to 144. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem is 144.